Lychee farming involves various stages, from selecting the right cultivars, preparing the soil, planting, nurturing, and harvesting the fruit. Successful lychee cultivation requires proper care, irrigation, pest management, and adherence to seasonal requirements. The process demands patience and expertise, offering rewarding returns for farmers. Welcome to Discover Agriculture YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button now and don't forget to click the bell icon for notifications on new videos. Site selection and preparation. Lychee trees thrive in full sunlight and well-drained soil. Prior to planting, the soil should be tested and amended to ensure optimal pH levels and fertility. Adequate drainage and proper aeration are essential for healthy tree growth. Planting. Lychee trees are typically propagated through seeds, grafting, or air layering. Seed germination can lead to variability in fruit quality, while grafting is preferred for preserving the desired traits of the parent plant. Planting is usually done at the beginning of the rainy season. Care and maintenance. Regular watering, fertilization, and pest control are essential for the growth and development of the trees. Pruning is necessary to maintain tree shape, encourage fruit production, and facilitate air circulation. Harvesting. Lychee trees start bearing fruit 3 to 5 years after planting. The fruits are ready for harvest between late spring and early summer, depending on the cultivar. Harvesting is usually done manually, and ripe fruits are picked carefully to avoid damage. Conclusion. Lychee fruit farming represents a lucrative opportunity for growers due to the high demand for this delectable tropical fruit. The process involves meticulous care and attention from selecting the right cultivars to proper planting, care, and eventual harvest. Successful lychee farming requires a deep understanding of the plant's needs, climate considerations, and regular maintenance. When managed effectively, it can yield substantial returns for farmers. Hope you liked this video. Share this video with all friends and don't forget to subscribe Discover Agriculture channel. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.